Changing your RAM 1500 key fob battery is a simple task you can do yourself. Nearly all RAM 1500 fobs use a 3-volt CR2032 coin cell battery. Confirm this by checking your fob's model or owner's manual. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a key fob opener tool. Insert the tool into the seam of the fob and gently pry it open. Be careful to avoid scratching the plastic. Remove the old battery, noting the polarity, usually positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up, ensuring it snaps into place. Align the fob halves and snap them back together. Test the fob near your vehicle to ensure it's working correctly by locking and unlocking the doors. This process should take only a few minutes and save you money compared to professional replacement. To prevent damage, ground yourself before handling the battery to avoid electrostatic discharge. Ensure the battery is correctly oriented, as incorrect placement can cause failure. Moisture is a common cause of fob issues. Consider applying dielectric grease to the battery contacts to prevent corrosion. If you encounter problems reassembling the fob, double-check that the case clips are aligned. While coin cell batteries are currently standard, trends point towards integration with smartphone apps, reducing reliance on physical batteries. Expect to see wider adoption of rechargeable lithium polymer batteries or energy harvesting tech in the future. Also, keep an eye out for smart fobs in upcoming models with built-in diagnostics that alert you via app when the battery is low. Keep an eye out for smart fobs with built-in diagnostics that alert you via app when the battery is low.